You thought Jesus was the only one that walked on water, right? I'm walking on ice. All right. Oh, okay. If you've ever ridden in sub-zero temperatures, you should know by now that a good pair of gloves could make or break a bike ride. You want to put on your gloves before you set off. That way you keep your body temperature up before you hit the road. And one of the secrets to keeping your hands warm and toasted throughout the cold ride, even without a liner, is soon as you get out your door, ride as hard as you can. And the reason for that is to keep the body temperature high while you're riding. Just remember when you were little and your dad used to have to keep the engine running for a couple of minutes on a cold winter day before leaving the driveway? That logic. Now I'm demonstrating this with this Chiba classic winter gloves, but the rules pretty much apply to any renowned winter gloves out there. But nevertheless, links in the description in case you want to grab one of these. Let me see if that's frozen. Ooh, uh-oh. Gotta be careful now. Huge puddle. Now let's go see a bigger one over there. I'm walking on ice. Another thing that helps is taking little breaks during your ride and just make such motion. Alright? Stretch your arms out a couple of times, and that should help with blood circulation. So that way, blood flow right back to your fingers and keeping you toasty in the process.
As you can see in the video, I rode in a very cold day. The temperature was around -5 degrees Celsius, or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Lakes were visibly frozen. These particular pair of gloves claimed average insulation, so I was prepared to be disappointed. But guess what? By layering the right type of insulated winter-specific cycling gear like your warm jackets, pants, base layer, and winter cycling boots, and of course a good pair of winter gloves coupled together with the right tricks, my fingers stayed toasty for hours throughout the cold winter ride despite the fact that I was filming during this ride. I brought with me a pair of fleece and mittens as a get-out-of-jail-free card just in case. But honestly, I didn't even need them. This pretty much shows you don't have to go out and spend a fortune to keep your hands warm in freezing temperatures. Mittens are great for riding in temperatures below zero, but having the right 5-finger gloves that provides reliable insulation without compromising on dexterity is a winner. The Chiba, I would say, though, are made with high-quality materials. These gloves ensure durability and long-lasting use. Embrace the winter season with confidence, knowing that your hands are well protected, stay stylish and cozy. But like every product out there, the Chiba Classic doesn't come without its cons, namely, poor touchscreen sensitivity, but nothing that couldn't be curbed by breathing cold air or outright spitting onto your gloves. The back of hand of the Chiba Classic is made of high-quality, warm, breathable, and windproof softshell. The palm's made of robust microfiber with silicone print for a secure grip. It's got pre-curved fingers with warm thinsulate lining, neoprene pulse warmer prevents the hands from quickly cooling down, and a puller for easy putting on and a Velcro strap for that snug fit. These gloves are washable up to 30 degrees Celsius, but I'd advise you hand wash them or any gloves for that matter. Upgrade your winter wardrobe today with the Chiba Classic Winter Gloves and experience unparalleled comfort and warmth. Hit that like and bell icon to stay on the loop button for more Sir K Gears reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.